Hey guys, so today is day one of my keto diet, my keto journey. I'm going to show you a picture of the breakfast that I just made. And I'm gonna do a 7-day week, body transformation, throw in a picture of what my body is looking like. Probably a little later. My boyfriend's going to make tacos for dinner, and I'm trying to slowly ease myself into keto, the whole diet and everything. And I believe that I'm just gonna have ground beef, the beef that he makes with cheese, and no tortillas, so just a bowl of meat and cheese. Keto is weird, but we're gonna try this out for a week. So the internet told me that chicken is keto, so I'm gonna make some chicken right now. Grilling it up in a pan. Just, not ready to flip, but. So I grilled some chicken, and then I realized that keto is mainly a fat type of diet. So it's fat and then protein and then little to no carbs. So I put cheese on my chicken after I made it. So now I have this cheese just melted on this grilled chicken, and I'm about to eat this. This is, I wanna say 300 or so calories for this meal. So I'm gonna eat up. This is lunch. Let's go keto. Why, hello there. You guys, it is the end of day one of keto. We're gonna see how this goes. I'm going to put the percentage of my macros up right now. My macros. Actually, I ended up not hitting the amount of fat that I'm supposed to do, because fat is supposed to be the main where you get your food. And I didn't end up hitting the 60% minimum, but I did get 7% carbs today, and that was it. And that was insane how little amount of carbs I had. I didn't think I could do it, but I did. It was pretty sustainable, pretty easy. I feel like this diet is a lot of cheese and oil, and I don't know honestly how my body's gonna react to this, because cheese has always been something that I can go weeks and weeks without having. I just don't like cheese. I would eat something and be like, this is not fun. I don't like cheese. I just don't like cheese. But that's just me personally. I've never really cared for cheese. Here's another downside about me doing this diet. Good fats that I can get are from nuts, which is fine, and I'm still learning, so that's all I really know. And then avocados. I am allergic to avocados, so I cannot eat avocados. And that's apparently a really good source of healthy fat. This is only day one. I had pretty healthy meals, pretty decently sized meals. I hit my calories for the day. The dinner that I ended up having, I did not like. I did not like having someone make a salad for me, because first of all, it was kind of expensive. And then second, I did not like the taste of the broccoli at Maud's. It was just too many different flavors all in one, coming together and not working out all simultaneously. Next time, I think I'm probably just going to do a salad of my own, a keto salad, because having a lot of greens is apparently pretty important, and I'm super okay with that because I like greens. Have you ever seen that 70s show? I feel like the girl who's sitting in the middle for the title song when she has her hands on the dashboard and they're like, hanging out on the street, same old thing. If you like this video, like it down below. If you have any comments, any questions, any concerns, any ideas for new meals that I can try, and like link some recipes, do whatever you want. Like, I really want to try sticking to this keto diet. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you have, I love you. I'm gonna shout this person out real quick because they were the first to comment, probably gonna be the first to comment on this video. Love ya, and I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful life. Goodbye.